Alright, so this will be a two-part series, so we're going to jump right in. I'm going to show you what I pay for and then what I earn for. So these are my cutting knobs. I do have the old ones, and nothing really wrong with those. These just have a different feature on the way they cut. And a locking thing to cover up the thing. I can't talk. To cover up the blade. So these go around our custom cutting circles, so you can use these and cut out circles in different shapes and stuff like that. So I just wanted to get the more modern blades. And these are 3 colors, so you can get the inner, middle, and outer cuts with that. I did pick up a tape runner. And that's what that looks like. And then I picked up a couple collections. This is, I'll show you this first. I showed you this before. I love these. These are the Power Project folders, and these are wonderful because what they do is they allow you to store your paper and your collections. Sorry about that noise, if that offends. I know some sensitive ears, but what it does is allows you to store your paper pads in here, and it has 3 different tabs, so you can tab it, put your label in here, any which one of these that you want. It comes with the tabs there. You can put your 4x6 in here, different things like that. You got this pocket right here. It's of course 12x4. Then you got your 12x6s on the back. So you can, and you can put your paper pads in here. So you can store whole collection, your embellishments and things to go with it. That's why I like these. And if you compare these to the other ones that are out in the market, they're made out of a different type of plastic. And I know I've ordered one from another big person, and they broke and they cracked. I shared that on my video a long time ago, about 2 years ago. And so I'm glad to get back with them, Creative Memories, and I can get these, and I like these. They are sturdy. I've used these for years. I like them, and boom. So you get a pack of 4. And yeah, so they help me stay organized with my collections and the different things that I buy. And of course, I get a discount as an advisor on things that I purchase. So, yeah. So what I did get was, I showed you guys one of my other previous summertime collections, and this is the album that goes along with it. And I like that little sunburst. So, yep. No pages are in the album, but these are the pages that I did buy to go with. Actually, I bought these pages to go with my birthday, because most of that has a brown tone, craft tone to it. On the color, so I got these natural pages, and it comes with the refills. I mean the sheet protectors. They go over them, so you can actually, you don't have to. People craft differently. You can craft directly onto this page as your background, and that can be your background. You can use a solid 12 by 12. You can use the decorative paper. Totally up to you. It's your album. People do it all different ways. Depends on what they want. They want the pages to be thick or thin. It's totally up to you and how you feel about that. I typically do mine on a different page and then attach it, or really not even attach it, but just use this as my background piece, that, and then sheet protector over top of it so I can hold my page in there. So what did I get? I finished off some of my collections. This is I got the decorative pack of the Seaside paper last month, and this is the tone on tone. Tone on tone means the color stays the same, but it just has a different print in it. So these are the nautical theme ones. And I'll show them to you each real quick. Oops. And of course, it's 12 pack. You get 2 of each design. There's little seashells. And this lighting is always terrible in my room, even though I have 2 outlights sitting on top of me. I just love the natural wood grain stuff. It's all about it. And I love this right here too. I just love the texture. That looks like concrete. These waves. Yep, so that is the Seaside. And right now they are on back order because they sold out so quick. They'll be back though. They're coming back in next month. And then this is the emerald. I don't even have anything to go with the gemstones per se, but I just love the colors. So it's a 2-pack. This is the designer paper that goes along with it. I don't know, I just fell in love with the colors. Because they're bold, you know. I'm a boy mom. I like, you know, those kind of, I can do pastels, you know. I learned to do that in this crafting community, but I really do enjoy my bold colors. Look at that peacock. Oh, love it. And I know my lighting does not ever do this paper justice because I'm always, don't have good lighting in here. But look at those leaves. It's pretty. And you can always go online and look at it up and close, personal. Look at the raindrops on that. And that's not doing it justice, but the water droplets up there, and that's more like a galaxy. I just love this navy. Look at that. I just, yeah, look at that. So, yeah, those colors are just, they were just culminating. And then this is the tonal tone that goes along with the emerald gemstone. And I already showed you my border punch that goes with this, the gemstone border punch. And then I also got the accessories to go with this. And so this is the tonal tone. Again, the colors on each side are going to be the same, just, the colors on each side would just be the same, with just some variation in it of the print, but it's all going to be like blue. Look at that. I love that. And these, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but these are gemstones in blue. You really can't see it too well with this lighting. That's right. Here's the green gemstones. Can you see that? It's the same thing. So you got those, just the different colors of the same print. So you got that. So look at ombre, and look at that. I just love the bold colors. I know I didn't want to pass this up because I was like, I love them. So yeah, boom. So that is the tone on tone that goes along with the designer pack. And then with that, I got the stickers, and so the stickers always have like the icons, is what they consider them on the front page, and they have the sentiments that go along with it. And then they have the border strips. I like that peacock feathers and those gemstones. So I have some scrapbooks. I haven't even done any of my scrapbook videos. I'm so behind. End of the year stuff at work. Writing end of the year report and stuff. Ooh, Jesus. I'm just... But it's done. It's submitted. Thank you, Lord. I'll be glad when I can just play. So, this is the Gemstone Pack, and these are the 4x4 journaling cards. Now, again, the journaling cards could like pocket cards. You can use them in your pages, your photo albums, like you do Project Life. But you can use these placemats. You can punch these out, die cut them out, and of course they go vertical and horizontal. So you can use this to create your own embellishments out of it, or as a journal spot, like I said, or mat. Good gem. So these are extra ways to get your embellishments. I have tons of dies. I can cut anything out of this, or words out of this, or you know, you can use it on your Cricut, cut something out. And again, you can cut this in two to get your mats. This is 4.5 by 6.5, so your whole picture can fit on it. You can cut a picture down on it. So you have options. One of the things I do struggle with on my scrapbook pages is actually journaling. I don't know, I wish I'd journaled more. But that's something I need to work on. I just love paper. That's my problem. Paper's so fun. Boom and boom. So that is the pack that goes along with the kit. So that gives me more options. And again, I don't have to use them only with this kit. I can use them in various different ways. But I'm grabbing one of my photostats, and I'll put it in here, like I just showed you. And that way, I can keep my collection all together. I can either stick my borders right up here, or I can stick it in the back. You could do either one. And then of course, your paper fits right in the middle. And then I create a label right here. I'll label my paper so I know which collections. And what I also do is, like, they also on the webpage, they also show you what colored albums, what punches, what other accessories that may go along with the collection, what cardstock matches with it, and I write it on the back of this, so I know like such and such colors goes with it, so I don't even have to think to match things up. And then what I am going to eventually do is take out all of these out so I can have them in one spot. I saw Lauren from Crafts from Joy, she made a booklet of all of her pages, her covers, so she knows what all of her collections that she has. And I think I'm going to do that. And then the last one, I've already showed the sticker pack that goes along with it. And this is the variety matte pack that goes along with the winter woods. And these are the colors again. These are the 4.5 by 6. Journaling, matting, like I mentioned before. That's pretty. And of course, you can use these paper collections in any paper crafting. They're not limited to scrapbooking. People think that because it's a scrapbooking company, you can't use these to do 3D projects or to make anything else, embellishments and all the other stuff that we do in this paper crafting community. And of course you can. And of course, if you're interested in anything, you can always check out my channel. And then this is the paper collection. This is going to be the last thing I'm going to show you. And then I'll do a separate video to show you all the stuff I got free, so you can see when they have their specials what it looks like. So this is the Winter Woods paper collection. This is the designer paper. They didn't have any tone on tone. Not this one. I think they didn't have tone on tone. But anyway, so this, isn't that neat? Look at that paper. And again, you get 2 of each one. Look at that. That wood. I like the, now see, I can get into some of the muted colors like this, the soft colors. I don't know how many layouts I have to do in the winter, because you know what, I stay my butt in when it's too cold. I don't play around in the snow, the driving anyway. But anyway, that is my collection. I thank you for taking the time to stop by and to check out what I ordered. And if you have any questions and you need to see anything demonstrated, anytime I show any tools or anything or a layout, let me know. And I can show that as well. But anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.